Faceless YouTube channels have become one of the most interesting ways to build an online income. The reason is simple. You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive equipment. And with the help of AI tools, the entire process of creating videos has become much faster than before. Many successful YouTube channels today are built around simple videos like educational content, storytelling, finance tips, tech facts, motivational videos, or top 10 style content. The audience focuses on the information and entertainment rather than the person behind the camera. This makes faceless YouTube automation possible even for beginners. If I were starting a faceless YouTube channel today using AI, the first thing I would focus on is choosing the right niche. Not every topic performs well on YouTube, so selecting a niche that people actively search for is important. Niches like personal finance, AI tools, productivity, business ideas, history, mystery stories, and tech explanations tend to perform well because viewers are constantly searching for that information. The goal is to choose a niche where people regularly watch long videos and where advertisers are willing to spend money. When advertisers pay more for ads in a niche, the channel can earn more revenue once it becomes monetized. After choosing the niche, the next step would be content research. Instead of guessing what people want to watch, I would study existing videos that already perform well. Looking at videos with high views helps reveal what type of titles, topics, and thumbnails attract viewers. AI tools can assist in this research by generating topic ideas, summarizing trends, and even suggesting video structures. This saves a lot of time compared to manually researching everything from scratch. Once I have a video idea, the next step is writing the script. Script writing used to be one of the most time-consuming parts of creating videos, but AI can now generate detailed scripts based on a simple topic. Instead of starting with a blank page, you can generate a full draft in seconds. However, the most important part is editing the script so it sounds natural and engaging. AI provides the structure, but adding personality, clarity, and a storytelling flow makes the content much more interesting for viewers. After the script is ready, the next stage is creating the voiceover. Instead of recording your own voice, AI voice generators can produce high-quality narration that sounds clear and professional. These tools allow you to paste the script and convert it into spoken audio within minutes. This makes it possible to create videos without microphones or recording setups. Some creators still prefer recording their own voice, but AI narration is a powerful option for people who want a completely faceless workflow. Once the voiceover is ready, the next step is creating the visuals. Since faceless channels do not rely on a person appearing on camera, the visuals usually come from stock footage, animations, images, or short video clips. AI video tools can help combine these elements together and automatically match visuals with parts of the script. The goal of the visuals is to keep the viewer engaged while the narration delivers the information. Even simple footage combined with text highlights, animations, or transitions can make a video feel dynamic and professional. Thumbnails are another extremely important part of the process. A great video can still fail if nobody clicks on it. The thumbnail is often the first thing a viewer sees, so it must be visually clear and emotionally interesting. AI design tools can help generate thumbnail ideas, but the most effective thumbnails usually follow a few simple principles. They use bold text, strong contrast, and a clear visual that represents the video topic. Looking at successful thumbnails in your niche can provide inspiration for designs that attract attention. Once the video is complete, uploading and optimizing it correctly is essential. Titles should be clear and curiosity-driven so people feel interested in clicking. Descriptions should explain what the video is about and include relevant keywords so the platform can understand the topic. Tags and keywords can also help the video appear in search results, especially when the channel is still small. Over time, as the channel grows, recommendations and suggested videos become a major source of traffic. Consistency plays a huge role in growing a faceless YouTube channel. Instead of posting one video and waiting for instant results, successful creators focus on uploading regularly. Even 1 or 2 videos per week can gradually build momentum if the content is valuable. As more videos are uploaded, the chances of one of them gaining traction increases. Sometimes a single viral or semi-viral video can bring thousands of new subscribers to a channel. Now let's talk about monetization. The most common way to earn money from YouTube is through the platform's partner program. To qualify, a channel typically needs at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. Once the channel reaches those requirements and gets approved, ads start appearing on videos. Every time viewers watch or interact with those ads, the creator earns a portion of the advertising revenue. However, ad revenue is only one part of the monetization strategy. Many successful faceless channels also earn money through affiliate marketing. This means recommending useful products or tools in the video description and earning a commission when viewers purchase through those links. For example, if a channel talks about technology or AI tools, it can include affiliate links for software or platforms mentioned in the video. When viewers sign up or buy something through those links, the channel earns a percentage of the sale. Another monetization option is digital products. As the audience grows, creators can sell ebooks, guides, templates, or courses related to their niche. Since the content already builds trust with viewers, some of them may be interested in deeper learning resources. Sponsorships also become possible once a channel gains a consistent audience. Brands are often willing to pay creators to mention their products in videos, especially when the channel's audience matches their target customers. One of the biggest advantages of faceless YouTube automation is scalability. Once you understand the workflow of research, script writing, voiceover creation, and editing, the process can be repeated again and again. Some creators eventually outsource certain tasks or use more advanced AI tools to speed up production even further. The key to success is focusing on valuable content rather than trying to automate everything immediately. I should assist the process, but the ideas and quality of the videos still matter the most. Faceless YouTube channels prove that you don't need to be a public personality to build an audience online. With the right niche, consistent uploads, and smart use of AI tools, it's possible to grow a channel that attracts viewers from around the world. Over time, as the library of videos grows and the audience expands, the channel can turn into a long-term income stream that continues generating views and revenue even from videos that were uploaded months or years earlier.